Hello and welcome back. Today we have a problem with the Nissan Pathfinder. What is the problem? Yesterday I drove this around, did my other jobs in garage box, and when I decided to go home it didn't start anymore. Absolutely randomly. So let's see, can it wake up or not? It's still cranking. Nothing. Battery is weak as well. I need to put it into charging. Anyway, let's hook up the scan tool and see what we can see. Yesterday it did show one code B1525. So as you can see, I can't get any codes out of it. Yesterday there was one, I deleted it. It was under engine, so I possibly think it is a crankshaft sensor. Headlamp levelizer, that doesn't matter for us. Let's see. A couple of days have passed. I have new crankshaft sensor, Porsche unit. Here's the code, in case you need it. For a Nissan Pathfinder. This is how it looks. So let's try to change it and see if I start this Nissan up. Crankshaft sensor location is down on the driver's side. It is. Let me show you. Right over there, where is hole. I have it removed. I need to remove this connector from here, and then I can plug in the new one. So now you can clearly see where it sits. Driver's side, and this is a V9X engine type. So the brand new sensor is reconnected, and this is the 10mm bolt. So let's try out. Car is running, everything seems to be okay. So that's it. That was the crankshaft sensor for a Nissan Pathfinder V9X engine type.